Want to get your message out there? Looking for a free way to do it? Stay tuned, we've got it. NetHunt here, Gmail CRM, Learning Hub, and sales experts. We've got not one, but two step-by-step guides for sending bulk emails out of Gmail. By the end of this video, you'll know the ins and outs of how to send bulk emails using Gmail with minimal effort. Method number 1 is how to send bulk emails the old school way. There are two ways of adding contacts to your Google Contacts. The first one is to add them yourself. Head to contacts.google.com and hit the Create Contact button in the top left corner. A window will pop up. You'll fill out their name, their contact info, and there are a bunch of other fields you can fill out by hitting the Show More button at the bottom. You can have as many fields as you want by hitting the plus icon next to a field you filled out. Or you can import them from CSV. First, download your existing contacts as a CSV file from, for example, a spreadsheet. Then head to Google Contacts and choose Import Contacts from the left sidebar. Select your file and hit Import. As easy as that, you've just filled your contacts. Next, to send a bulk email campaign, you need to tie your contacts together under one label. Like traditional CRM, Google's Labels feature slices and dices your contact base depending on how you want to view them. It's easy. Head to Add, Added Contact. Find the Labels section next to Add Contact, Added Contact, and click on it. Choose a preset label or create your own. To find the segmented groups, simply click on or search for the label you want to see. So, we're finally ready to send out our email. Start composing an email as you normally would. Click the To field, start typing the name of your segmented label of contacts, choose the right group from autofill, and hit Send. If you're tired of typing out the same old emails to your contacts, you can even create templates in Gmail. But this one requires a little bit of digging. First, you need to make sure this feature is actually turned on. Go to your Gmail inbox, hit the Settings cog, hit See All Settings, find the Advanced tab, enable the Templates option, and don't forget to hit Save Changes. Next, open the Compose box. Type out the email you want to template. Hit the three dots at the bottom, Templates, Save Draft as Template, Save as New Template. That template is ready. It's pretty easy, and you can use it for future outreach whenever you need it. Stop! There is one problem with all of that. Gmail is everybody's favorite email client, right? Right. The secret sneaky downside of it, though, is that you're limited to sending just 500 emails every 24 hours. As your business grows, that's just not enough. Alas, there is a solution. Method number 2 is how to send bulk emails the new school way with NetHunt CRM. First, you need your contacts. We're going to import them from two places. First will be our tired-looking Excel spreadsheet. We need to download it as a CSV file, just like we did with Google Contacts. Then we simply need to head to our NetHunt and choose the import feature. I drag and drop my CSV file to upload and choose the folder I want to send those contacts to. Let's try Contacts. You think that's easy? Let's take a look at importing our contacts from Google Contacts. NetHunt's Google Contacts sync is beautiful. All you need to do is make sure it's all under Settings and Google Contacts Sync tab, and your contacts will perform a sync every day to keep your data fresh and relevant. Easy. Now we're ready to reach out to our contacts with a bulk email campaign. I filter out my contacts folder in NetHunt for everybody, say in the CEO position at their company. After all, they are the decision makers, the people we're interested in speaking to. Next, I select them all and click on the Create Campaign button. I give my campaign a name and proceed. The system will check the recipients for errors like those who unsubscribed previously, or you can just exclude them from the campaign. Also, it will check the duplicates if they exist, like this. I compose my email, smash the subject line, and offer my users a discount if they act now. I fill in the macros in line with my super personalized experience, and then I test to see what my email looks like. No surprise, it looks great. Let's send it. But I want to send a template like I would in my previous method. Dare I say, it's even easier than in Gmail itself. Type out your email. Hit this little icon, Save as Template. Choose whether you want everybody in your workspace to see it or just yourself. And it's done. Next time, if you want to send out a template as part of your email campaign, you can just find the same beautiful line button in the email campaign window and choose the one you wanted. Easy. Sounds good. You want it, right? But wait, there must be a catch. No catch. In fact, you can send unlimited emails every day out of Gmail with your NetHunt via our email server. Sign up today for your 14-day free trial, get a live demo booked with one of our customer success team, and get growing. Sales community, we are dying to know. How did these methods work for you? Let us know in the comments below. Download our sizzling hot cold guide to cold emails to become a pro in cold email marketing. Whilst you're there, like, comment, and subscribe. NetHunt, over and out.